Looking for a dashcam that delivers crystal clear footage no matter the lighting? The Transcend DrivePro 250 is built to capture every detail, day or night, thanks to its STARVIS high-sensitivity image sensor. Whether you're driving through a dimly lit street or facing sudden nightfall, this camera ensures your videos come out sharp with rich tonal gradation. It's the kind of clarity that makes a difference when you need to prove what really happened. What sets the DrivePro 250 apart isn't just its image quality. It also comes with a built-in GPS, GLONASS receiver that logs your exact driving path. This means you get accurate location and speed data embedded in your recordings, an invaluable tool for insurance claims or legal situations. Plus, with its built-in battery, the camera keeps recording even if your car's power cuts out. Add in a convenient snapshot button and Wi-Fi connectivity for live mobile streaming, and you have a dashcam designed to keep you connected and protected every mile of the way. Parking mode and time-lapse video features work quietly in the background, monitoring your vehicle around the clock. Whether you're parked in a busy lot or on a quiet street, the DrivePro 250 is ready to catch unexpected incidents before they escalate. This isn't just a dashcam, it's a reliable companion that watches over your car when you can't. One user sums it up perfectly. After 5 years with Transcend's earlier models, they upgraded to the DrivePro 250 for its higher memory capacity and flawless performance. It's clear this dashcam offers real value without compromise. If you want a device that combines smart technology with user-friendly features, this is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values safety, clarity, and peace of mind on the road, consider the Transcend DrivePro 250. It's more than just a camera, it's your partner in safer driving. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your car's protection and capture every moment with confidence.